Have you ever wondered how salt farming works? Or maybe how to catch a crab? Are you sure that you know everything about your own city? Dare to try going around with us and learn a lot more. Introducing Kota Tanyoe, a tourism platform where you can choose various ideas to explore Banda Aceh's nature, culture, history, art and crafts through guided walking tours. We combine tours with knowledge, accompanied by local trained guides with different experts for every tourist. Experience Banda Aceh like you never before. Even a local can be a tourist in their own city. With Kota Tanyoe, discover authentic experiences.